x raised to 6 minus I equal to 0. So we can write it as x raised to 6 equal to I. Okay. Then therefore x is equal to I raised to 1 by 6. As I told earlier, suppose if I am writing square root of x, then this is written as x raised to 1 by 2. Square root means here 2 is here. Or if I write x cube, cube root of x, then this is x raised to 1 by 3. So similarly, if x raised to 6 is there, x raised to 6 is equal to I, then actually what we do here, x raised to 6 equal to I. So if I take the 1 by 6 here, then here also 1 by 6. So a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. 6 into 1 by 6, you will get 6 is cancelled and you will get x. Okay, so we do not think that much and all, directly you must write it. So x raised to 6 is equal to I, that means x is equal to I raised to 1 by 6. Now after this step, look at what you have to do. Now first step is this, whatever z you have, whatever number you have, write it in the modulus amplitude form. Okay, modulus amplitude form. So I had already given you what is I. I is equal to, so on that day we had written I is equal to cos 90 plus I sin 90, I sin pi by 2. Okay, if you do not remember this, then you have to go by this way. I is equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta and all, then equating real and imaginary part, modulus amplitude form, we need to evaluate that one. Okay, we need to convert this into this form. So better you remember, try to remember by heart this term, then you can use it directly. So this is equal to I is equal to cos, very simple now, cos 90 is 0 plus I into sin 90 is 1. So I into 1 is I. So in that way you can remember that. So this is cos 90 pi by 2 plus I sin 90, I sin pi by 2 raised to 1 by 6. Then what is the next step to do? So here see, I wrote it as cos theta plus I sin theta whole raised to 1 by n. Then what we do is just you add 2 pi k with the angle. Okay, so here the angle is pi by 2. So what to do is just add 2 pi k with this. So cos 2 pi k plus pi by 2 plus I sin 2 pi k plus pi by 2, the whole raised to 1 by 6. Okay, now this is equal to, firstly if you can simplify this little bit, do it, then use de Moivre's theorem. So if I look at this one, then this is cos 2 pi k plus pi by 2 means 2 pi k plus pi by 2. Okay, so I'll write it in the like this only, pi by 2, here also pi by 2, so that you can do it simply, easily. So now this is 2 into 2 LCM, so 4 pi k plus pi whole divided by 2 plus I sin, this also again 2 into 2, that is 4 pi k plus pi divided by 2, the whole raised to 1 by 6. Okay, now this is equal to, take from here you can take pi common, so it is cos of 4k plus 1 into pi divided by 2 is here. So instead of writing there, I am just writing it here. So no particular reason, just we are writing it like that. So I sin here also 4 pi, sorry, 4k plus 1 into pi by 2, the whole raised to 1 by 6. Now what to do is, now apply de Moivre's theorem. So this is equal to cos 4k plus 1 into pi by 2 is already there into 1 upon 6. This n, cos n theta plus I sin n theta form. So by de Moivre's theorem, take it inside. So I sin 4k plus 1 into pi by 2 is already there into this 1 by 6. So by de Moivre's theorem. So this is equal to cos, directly you can write even pi by 12 also, no issue. So 4k plus 1 into pi by 2 into 1 by 6 is pi by 12. Pi by 12 plus I sine 4k plus 1 into pi by 12. Okay, where k values, k will be, so this is what, this is our x is equal to I raised to 1 by 6. X is equal to I raised to 1 by 6 it is. So that is x is equal to this and k is equal to, so x equal to I raised to 1 by 6. 6 is n. Okay. So k is from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know if it is x raised to 6. X raised to 6 means you will have 6 values for that one. 6 solutions you will get. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, we have to find out. So when k is equal to 0, each value you have to put now. When k equal to 0, x is equal to cos 4 into 0. Here put 0. Put k equal to 0. So 4 into 0. Okay. Plus 1 into pi by 12. Like this. So 4 into 0, okay, this I'll write, plus I sine, here again 4 into 0 plus 1 into pi by 12, or that is equal to cos, 4 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 into pi by 12. So pi by 12 plus I sine pi by 12. Okay, this now using our Euler's form, exponential form, we can write this as, this is cos theta plus I sin theta is e raised to I theta. So I into pi by 12, this is optional, not necessary to write this one. Okay, if you need then only write. So similarly, when k is equal to 0 or 1, when k equal to 1, k is equal to 1, x is equal to, now put here, k equal to 1, so 4 into 1, here 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so that is x, when k equal to 1, this is cos 5 pi by 12 plus I into sine, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So same to same it will come, sine 5 pi by 12, and or this can be written as e raised to I 5 pi by 12. Now k is equal to 2. Now once you get 1 or 2, it's very easy to write. What you have to do is, here it is 1, here it is 5, next will be 9, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, like that, just you have to add 4, you will get it. So this is equal to cos, now k equal to 2, here 4 into 2, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So it will be cos 9 pi by 12 plus I sine 9 pi by 12. And here this can be written as e raised to 9 pi by I 9 pi by 12. Then now k is equal to 3. So x is equal to cos 9 plus 4, 13 pi by 12 plus I sine 13 pi by 12, which is e raised to I 13 pi by 12. Now when k is equal to 4, you will get x equal to cos 13 plus 4, 17. Means here 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. 17 pi by 12 plus I sine 17 pi by 12. And this is e raised to I 17 pi upon 12. And when k is equal to 5, x is equal to cos 17 plus 4, 21 pi by 12 plus I sine 21 pi by 12 equal to e raised to I 21 pi by 12. Now whether to get the answer of this is some where you will get the answer directly, like if it is 3 pi, this is if you divide this by 3, 3 pi by 4. Okay, this you can, 3 pi by 4 means 45 into 3, 135. Okay, so cos 135 plus I sin 135, you can get the value in the calculator. So like that some values you may get, otherwise you have to just put it like this only. Okay, you need not find them. I mean, it doesn't mean that suppose when you do, you are getting say cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. If you are getting something like this, then obviously you have to write the answer here. cos pi by 3, that is cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2, and all you have to write that value. Okay, where it is bigger one like this, or if it is in fractions and all, not necessary to write that.